Hello everybody and welcome back. In the previous lesson, you learned how to configure Django to accept file uploads by setting up media root and media URL. Now in this lesson, we will be moving one step forward. We will learn how to actually handle the uploaded files in Django. You will see how to access the uploaded files by using request.FILES, how to save your uploaded files to the disk safely and efficiently, and finally we'll build a simple text note uploader inside a Django app. This is an important lesson because file uploads are used in real projects every day. Profile pictures, document uploads, receipts, certificates, and everything. So let's get started. So let's see how to handle uploaded files in Django. We will look at how to access uploaded files and also how to save the file safely to the disk. When a user uploads a file, Django temporarily stores it in memory or in a temp location. To use it or to preview it or to save it for later, we must handle it manually. So let us start by understanding how to access uploaded files. All file uploads in Django must come through a post request. And one important rule, you must include enc type equal to multipart/form data. Without this, no file will ever reach the server. Now when a user submits a file, Django provides it through request.FILES. Each uploaded file behaves like an uploaded file object and comes with helpful attributes like name, size, content type, etc. And chunks is especially used for large files, and we will see it in the example that we will be taking. Now remember, uploaded files are temporary. If we need to keep the file permanently, we must save it manually into the folder defined by media root. Writing in chunks ensure memory efficiency and avoids crashes with large files. So we always write in chunks in order to avoid crashes for large files, and we will be using the binary mode called WB, which stands for write binary, and it is useful to save memory for large files. So let's now walk through a complete example, which is a simple text note uploader where the user can upload txt files. The file will be validated and then saved to the media folder. So here I am on the CodeChef platform and we have a worked out example called simple text note uploader. And here if you look at the file explorer, you can see that we have a project called my project and an app called text upload app. And we have also created the media folder under this main project, and we also have a template created under the templates folder of the app called upload page.html, which is the one that is open here. And then we have the views.py file of the app and also the urls.py files which are open over here. And we also have the settings.py file of the main project here. So if you scroll down to the end, you can see that we have defined the media URL and the media root. So the media URL tells us which is the path where to find the media files that are being uploaded, and this media root tells where is the actual files going to be uploaded. So this os-path.join and base dir media will tell Django where to look the media files for. Alright, now let's look at the views.py file. So in the views.py file, we can see that we have a function called handle uploaded note, and here it will only work if it is a post method. So we are checking if the request.method is post, and if it is, then using this request.files.get, we are going to get the file that the user has uploaded, which is user text file, and it is going to be stored to this object called uploaded file. Now this is for getting the uploaded file. Now here it checks if not uploaded file. That means if the file was not uploaded, then we give an error message over here. We have a context called error message, and then also we check if it does not end with .txt because we only want to support text files. So if the user tries to upload anything other than .txt file, we again have a context error which says only .txt files are allowed. So these are the error messages. Now we come to the else part. Now else part will work if the file was actually uploaded and it is a .txt file. Then we are having a save path variable where it gets the path where we have to save the file. So it says os.path.join and settings.media.root uploaded file name. So to that path, it is trying to actually save the file that the user has uploaded. Now I've already showed you in the settings.py file where the file should be saved, which has been already told to Django. Now in order to use this os.path, you also need to import os in your views.py file. This is also an important step which you should keep in mind. Now we are going to save the file. So we put it in a try catch block where we say with open save path, which is the path where we are trying to save the file. And here, as I told you in the beginning, that we want to save files as chunks because this will be useful when we are working with larger files. So for that, we open the file in the write binary mode. That is what this WB plus means. And then we are running a for loop here, and chunk by chunk we will be writing the content of that file. And once it is done, we have a success context which says that the file is uploaded successfully. And this is an except block in order to catch any errors if there were any errors in trying to save the file. And finally, we are rendering everything to this upload page.html, which is this template which we are using in order to display everything on the browser and to facilitate the options for uploading the files for the user. So you can check out this upload page.html template as well. And then we have this urls.py file for the app and the project as well, which is used for defining the URL patterns, which you can check out. Now let me run the project and show you how it works. Now if I click on the run button, you can see that the server has started and you can see that the home page has loaded correctly on the browser here. So it says select a .txt file for uploading. So let me click on choose file. Now here from my desktop, let's say that I want to upload a text file. I have a text file called myfile.txt. Let me just open that and let me click on upload. So it says myfile.txt is uploaded successfully. So you must have also seen that when I was trying to upload, only the .txt files were highlighted and it actually did not allow any other files other than .txt to be uploaded as well. So you will not be able to upload any other files other than .txt files here. Okay, now this file has been uploaded. Let us check if it has been uploaded correctly by looking at the media folder here. So you see the myfile.txt has come up. Okay, this is something old which I had uploaded earlier. Now we have this myfile.txt and it says this is the sample text file, which is the content of my myfile.txt. So this is how Django helps you to handle the uploaded files. So we see that we are able to upload a file and we are able to save it to the disk successfully, and also we are able to retrieve it from this media folder. So that is how you can handle uploaded files in Django. And that's how you handle uploaded files in Django. In this lesson, you have learned how to access files using request.FILES, how to read the file attributes, how to save uploaded files safely using chunks, and how to build a complete text node uploader from scratch. Now, handling uploaded files is a crucial part of real-world Django development. Whether you are building social media apps, dashboards, or document management systems, and so on. So make sure you try out the practice problem that is available on the CodeChef platform for this lesson. I will see you in the next one.